Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do a costing for a kitchen cabinet. Right now we have a semi-modular kitchen uh, and there is a sajja is provided. There is a countertop, granite with a support. I'll show you the internals. Okay, right now you can see how I have to make the internal box sections and shutters outside. So I'm using verticals. You can see here is a vertical base unit, base panel, backside panels, the top rippers. So first thing you have to measure this in between space, and this can be executed at the site only, because other than these internal box sections, we can make shutters. Uh, Everything we can do it at factory level. So here all this is the internal box sections are 16 mm ply with two side laminate, backside is 6 mm, top reapers. The front you can see these are all top fillers 1, 2, 3, and these verticals are just dummy paneling. Okay guys, now coming to the top storage. Here also I have some internal shelf is there. Now come to the top loft section. Okay, before doing the costing part, first we have to give a proper name to these materials. What I'm using is high glossy laminate. You can see the name I've given. It's a wood high glossy top, white bottom, BWP. The BWP is the core material. And now coming to this panel, you can see this the back side is white, the front is. So this front you consider only this front finishes matter. The back side is just kind of dummy finish I have given. Okay, to hide everything. Before doing this costing, you have to understand the thickness and the material finishes, everything. I'm going to hide this part. So right now we have only these cabinets and finishes. Okay guys, now I'm going to the plug-in called ABF. In my previous video I have given all the details regarding how to use this ABF plugin. If anybody not seen, please go and check it out, my previous video. Coming to this, right now we have to do the labeling. Before labeling, we have an add option called add label option here. Before add labeling, first you have to select these. I'm going to select only the shutters right now. Go to layer. I'm going to hide these internals. So right now only the shutters you can see here. First select all the shutters and rename it. Okay, I'm typing shutters underscore. You can give numbering here and apply, and then go to label, add label, press add label. See, the label is created. It will show you exact number of pieces is required with a proper name, and also you can see this is a direction of your arrow, and this arrow direction you can change it, you can rotate it. So right now I want it vertical directions. So now I have given name for all the shutters. Okay, before again I want to unhide everything now. Hide. So now you can. I want to hide only the shutters. So right now this internal boxes and loft frames are visible. Um, so now you can see give separate names as your wish. You want to change these boxes carcass, base carcass. Now this is upper carcass. Now we can okay, let's talk about this. This is a frame. You can name it as loft frame. But for now I'm just giving only internal uh, I'm just giving internals. Okay. For that I'm going to rename. Okay. I'm typing internal just section. Okay, internal sections underscore numbering apply. Now coming here, add label. You can add label. Okay, the label is added. See the internal sections. You can see the number of panels and frames. It's shown here. Can't hide everything right now. So the naming is completed. So right now I don't want this break wall or that. I'm deleting it. Guys, the label is added. Now coming to the nesting part. Click here. Coming here, nesting. Yeah, it's called created. Now you come to know how many sheets plywood is required for this, and it shows 10 plywoods required. So here in white top, white bottom, BWP, that is your frame and your internal sections it shows here. And this is dummy, the dummy panels. Here this is BWP 6 mm, the back panels. We need 2 sheets. This is going to be your shutters. Shutters we need 1, 2, 3 sheets are required. So then I'll show you how to do the costing now. Coming to the statistics. Here it shows 18 mm for white top, white bottom, BW 4 number. High glossy. This is for shutter. You need 1 sheet, 6 mm. Again, 2 sheets is required. High glossy. Okay, this is 3 number is required. Okay. Before that, I think we forgot to add edge band. For that, I'm going to give edge band to the shutters. Come to the layers, hide internal. Okay. So right now I'm going to edge band. Edge band select. There is a select option here. Before that, you can select whatever sizes you want. 2 mm for the shutters. Okay, right now I'm selecting everything, including dummy, shutter, everything. I'm giving 2 mm. Okay, so first you have to select all these models. Then apply. Okay. So the edge band is added. Okay. Now that is done. I'm going to hide the shutters. I want to unhide internals. So internals, I need to go for 0.8 mm edge band. Okay, I'm selecting this and select this. So add it. That's all. Very quickly you can add this. Its band is added. Right now the nesting is already done, right? The previous nesting you can delete it. What you can do one more nesting. So guys, you can see there is an arrow shows the the direction in which you have to paste your edge band. So this arrow shows, so here is the shutters. I need it on all four sides. Come to the statistics. Here it shows edge band 2 mm, shows the length, it is in meter. So I need basically 66.5 0.50 meter is required, and like I said previously shown, this is the number of sheet is required. Coming to this is the number of plywood, shows the number of plywood is required. And coming to the okay guys, so here I'll show you the costing. So 18 mm ply I need for 5 7. Good. 7 number. Then 6 mm ply. 6 mm ply, 2 numbers required. Come to the edge band. Edge band. I need around 67 meter. That is for 2 mm plus 50 meter 0.8 mm. So basically you have to add all this. First you have to add. Come to now you have to calculate the number of laminate. It's color. So this we need color, then laminate white 0.8 mm. This is so this is 1 mm. Now you will able to see here the white top. What I have given, so this is a white top, white bottom, right? This is both are 0.8 mm. So white here, the second one wood high gloss top, okay, and wood high gloss top. So these two, count 2 plus 3 sheets. Okay, so total we need color laminate 3 sheets. Now we have to calculate number of white sheets. White sheets means here is double side, right? The 4 this 8 become 8. Here is bottom white, so 8 plus 9. This is both top and bottom. 2 into 2. 9 plus 4, 13 plus wood top 2, right? So total 15 numbers. Okay. So Now you have to calculate that 18 mm ply. You have to add how many sheets? 7 18 mm ply plus 6 mm 2 mm ply. Then sheets, color laminate is 3 sheets are required. Color laminate 0.8 to 15 plus your labor. You have to add your labor cost. Your labor cost. Okay. Material cost plus labor plus accessories plus hardware. So total cost. So this is your total cost. Okay. So right now we have material cost. So we will able to find out what is the material cost adding all this. Normally plywood you get, there is a BWP you starts from 90 rupees. It goes 110, 115 rate, various range available. And then again laminate also different price variant available. So coming to the hardware and accessories, what you have to do now, here I think I have not added the hinge positions. So each door basically 1, 2, 3 need 2 hinges. So for 3 into 2, so total 6 hinges is required. Now I'll show you how to add hinges. For adding hinges, first you have to select the option, come here and select hinges, and you can select how many hinges you want. I'm going to select these 3. Now type a full overlay, partial overlay. So I'm going to add partial overlay. First you have to select the door, okay, then the panel. So you can see there is a dotted line. I don't want 3 hinges, I need only 2. So, okay, now this is added. Now select the door part. I want here 1, 2. Okay, now select door 1, 2. Going to this. Okay. Here I'm going to add it over here. Here, set here, select. Okay. Maybe I can delete. Okay, I think I can't delete it. Okay, you can select and delete it. Now, okay, coming to this. Here, second door, side panel, wanted, do a loft. this, I think I just move this. Okay, I'm going to delete this two. Again, I'm going to add it again. Okay, one, two. So hinge, everything is added now. Guys, I think in the previous nesting we didn't add hinges. We added only the sheets, number of sheets, and edge band. Now we added hinges also. So I think we have to reset this previous. So that I have to delete again. Going to select everything. Click nesting. Okay. So now coming here. So this is going to be with total 9 sheets. Okay. 1, 2, 3. The back set. Okay. So it's showing the correct location of the hinge locations. Okay. So here it's showing the hinge location and the screw mark. You can see there's some marks over there. Come to statistics again. You can see number of hinges shows 33. So the total number of hinges is required is 33. So coming to the hardware is 33 hinges. Also you have to segregate the hinges, whether it is a soft close or normal close. Those things you have to make a take a note of all these details. Now coming to accessories. So accessories, we have 3 drawers. So each drawer will have one accessories. So I'm going with wire mesh basket. So consider it is 3,000 for each basket. total 6. Then there's no other accessories. Plus we need a channel, sliding channels. 1, 2, 3 sets. Under accessories, I'm going to add wire baskets, 3 numbers, slide channel, 3 sets. Okay. So accessories added, hardware is added, laminate, plywood cost is. So now we have to calculate all this thing plus labor. labor is equal to height into width. Total area. Total area to total area. Okay. In carpentry, normally we calculate area, height into width. So for this area, I'm going to take the length from here to here is 2890 by 680. So for that, I think we can convert this unit to feet. And it will be easy for us to make the correct quotation. 9.4, okay, take 9.5 by 2.2. Kitchen base 9.5 to 2.2 plus, we have to calculate this side also, the 2 by 2.5, 2.2 plus 2 into 2.2. Okay, then upper storage is equal to width is 2 feet 2 by 2. Okay, 2 into loft. Loft I'm taking from here to here is 9 feet by 2 feet, 6.5 by 2 feet. So, okay, 9 by 2 plus 2, sorry, 6 by 2. So total 4. So here is going to be 0.2 into 9.5 is equal to 2.9 plus 2 into 2.2, 4.4 plus 20.9, okay, 25, 3 plus 18 plus 18 plus 12, 0, 30. So now you have calculated the total is going to be 25.534. How much? 30. Okay. So total area is 559.3. Okay. Total. So total you can round off this, make it 60 square feet. Total 60 square square feet. Okay, so the labor normally, this is the area for your labor cost. Okay, so fine. Okay, sorry. Okay, so right now we have the total area calculated, that is 60 square feet. Then you have calculated the sliding channels, accessories you have calculated, now hardwares you have calculated. All this is now taken. Now we can add um, hardwares like screws and other stuff, um, Fevicol, that all necessary extra necessary items also you have to take it into consideration. So like this you can do the costing for any interior related work. I hope all you guys enjoyed my video. I'll be back with more videos in future.